Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to draw a BMW M8. Begin by sketching the fundamental shapes and guidelines that define the car's overall structure. Focus on establishing accurate proportions for the body, wheels, and the sleek cabin. Use light, flowing lines to lay down the initial framework, ensuring the vehicle's powerful stance is captured from the very start. This foundational step is crucial for a realistic final drawing. Now, let's refine the body, focusing on those signature BMW M8 details. Carefully draw the prominent kidney grille and the sharp, angular headlights. Move on to defining the sleek side vents and the elegant contours of the doors. Pay close attention to the muscular wheel arches and the aggressive lines of the lower body kit. These elements truly bring the M8's powerful aesthetic to life on paper. Next, we'll tackle the wheels, which are a crucial part of the M8's appeal. Carefully render the intricate design of the alloy wheels, ensuring they look dynamic. Then, add the basic interior elements that are visible through the windows, giving a hint of the luxurious cabin. Finally, begin applying initial layers of shading. This will start to give your drawing depth and volume, making the car appear three-dimensional. For the final touches, deepen your shading to create strong contrasts and add brilliant highlights, making the M8 truly pop off the page. Don't forget to include realistic reflections on the bodywork and windows, which will give your drawing a polished, professional look. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep a breeze, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Your support helps us create more content like this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.